I've just run over my snow foam, like demon foam stuff, driving the car out of the lockup. Look at it, it's all over the place. And that has happened for one reason and one reason only. I simply cannot keep the place tidy. I have myself a gap just wide enough to bring the car in, and it comes all the way up to the seats there, and that means the items around it are vulnerable. I've said this before, but it's time to sort this workshop out once and for all. Cue the music. Yep, it's Project Nigel. Yep, it's Project Nigel. Yep, it's Project Nigel. So, today I will not stop until it's all completed. Let me explain the actual problem here. I come down here every single day to either work on cars or to take bits off and make videos while I'm doing it. And in the meantime, all of this space I have around me gets neglected. So, what do I need this place for? I need my tools, but I need to be able to get to them. I need cardboard boxes for things, but they take up a lot of space. I need my fridge. I need this worktop to be in some sort of working order. I need stuff like car care products in a box, but not on the floor. I need tools put back away. I need to dedicate time to putting things away. Sometimes I get things like this piece of glass out of storage, or those clocks or that window regulator, only for them not to be collected. Carpet, very useful for kneeling on while working outside. Spare wheel, compressor, vacuum cleaner, all needs to go away, as does that oh look, there's a throttle body down there. That's been down there for about 2 months. Down there is 10 pence just about to fall into the chasm of doom. Also on the floor there is a picture of the planets drawn by my little girls a few years back. Doesn't really belong on the floor, does it? Obvious place to start. Filling up the ZR with stuff I don't want.
Do you drive a Rover?
Yes! And you check your oil and water regularly? Good. Now make sure you never go anywhere without a full head gasket kit. Yeah. Some good progress, look at that, tidy. While at this, I'm finding lots of things that should be going back into the stores. And while in the stores here, I notice there's an awful lot of stuff on the floor, which is okay, but stuff on the floor while the shelves are empty. Floor. Empty shelf. Empty shelf. Empty spaces and lots of empty shelves over here. And here. Looking at the time now, you'll be expecting loads of progress, because I haven't done anything else besides tidy up. And there we go. Another area nice and clean and swept as well. Pleased with that. Means I've only got all this lot to do. I'm actually going to have a bit of a change around in here. A change around is time consuming, but I think what happens if something isn't working, there's no point continuing doing it the same way. And I think one of these shelves over here may as well go into that space there. That door doesn't open. It does open. It opens to somewhere I'm not allowed to go to. Currently this shelf is mostly redundant. Empty vessels, some brake discs for Nigel, some bits of pipe, kind of strongbow that I found in a car. Didn't chuck it away, but it's not my kind of thing. And this, half a bottle of vodka. That was in the passenger footwell of one of my, what was that car called? The R8, the champagne coloured one with a massive hole in the engine. It was in there. Vodka isn't my kind of thing, and certainly when it's half open. So, why have I kept it? No idea. Yeah, anyway, so then a selection of Rover 25 filler flaps, some mats, the orbital buffer, fuel pump, some bulbs, a lady's purse, which I still haven't given back to her. Yeah, this lady's purse here was found in a rat-infested Vauxhall Zafira. And when I found it, I said, oh, I'll drop this off for you. And I didn't get around to it. And she hasn't messaged me about it. And I haven't even looked inside to see if there's any money in there. There isn't. Empty containers. They do come in handy. But how many of them do I really need? Perfect. That particular space was always just used up with kind of nothing really. So I'm going to put all of my car cleaning stuff on there. That'll help keep it organised. A few days back I went out and I bought this to clean the seats on George and Nigel. And now I've discovered that I already have some stuff similar. Not loads in there, not loads in there. But the point is, by being disorganised, I've gone and spent money on something I didn't need to. Just found this stuff here. Is this any good? Anybody know? Smells like hospitals. Not new hospitals, but hospitals from the 1970s. Lovely. That's nice. Look, some genuine progress. I don't mess about when I get started. Top shelf general cleaning products, and then paint, Rover paints, and then interior cleaning things except for the headlight, exterior cleaning stuff, and then just some bigger bottles of things down there. And I wasn't sure what to do with all those Rover 25 filler flaps, so I put them in the freezer for the moment. Oh, and I bought this Aldi dent repair kit the other day. I wonder if it's any good. Need to find some dents. Now here's an off-topic thought. I've found that near side panels and mirrors and things are more likely to get broken by people, possibly because those parts are further away from the driver, and therefore an error of judgment is more understandable. Then take the Rover 75. Driver side, scuffed up. Passenger side, perfectly okay. Same goes in here. Look, passenger, 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 and just one driver side. That suggests a rather unusual phenomenon. Rover 75 drivers, 4 out of 5 crashes in a Rover 75 involves the driver watching what they're crashing into. Curious, eh? Oh, watch out, Harold, you're having a crash! Don't worry, we'll be stopped in a sec. The progress is better than it looks, especially if you look over there. Don't look over there, and don't look over here too. This here is a day all in itself, I reckon. Look there instead, that's better. This little kitty's been in the yard every day recently, and I'm hoping he's going to... Oh, no, there he goes. I like cats. I haven't finished, but I'm going to do one car job now. Yes. Well, another minor job to do on this. Yeah, better. A lot better, eh? Seats. They're quite a good place to sit down and eat some food. You're probably bored of my workshop now, and if you're not, then it's because you've not been watching it, and I'm bored of it now. Look, still a mess, but with more function there and there, plus much more room to put the car back in. Thank you for watching my video.
Right.